Hello students, fifth exercise, second Roman. Find the cube root of the following numbers through estimation. First one completed 5 to 1. Now second one, see these are all answers. Given number 2197. In that they divide two groups, first group and second group. Means 2197. Here 2 is first group. 197 is second group. For that, in second group, in 197, the units digit is, what is units digit? 7. And the units digit of 1 cube are, here observe, cube root is also 3, means 7 cube. 7 sevens 49, 49 sevens, like that. Here cube of number, units digit cube number is also 3, means now first group observe, 2 lies between, cube lies between 1 cube and 2 cube, 1 cube and 2 cube, means 1 and 8 between number. 7 is 1 and 8 between number, means cube of number. So that's why 1 cube and 2 cube. In that 1 is smaller, and tens digit equal to 13. Therefore cube root of 2197 equal to 13. 13 is, this is not approximately, original, means 13 cube will get 2197. Next, given number 3375, divide two groups, means first 1 digit and next 3 digits. This is first group and this is second group. For that, first group is 375. First group is 375. Here units digit 5. Units digit is 5. The units place of cube root of 5, means 5 cube 5, units digit of cube number also 5, means 5 5s 25, 25 5s 125, then in units place is 5, like that. Now take second group. That means second group what? 3 take. In that 3 lies between 1 cube and 2 cube, means 1 to 2 cube between number will be in that, means 1 cube less than 3 less than 2 cube. This is cube of number, that's why here written 1 cube and 2 cube between number 3, least number. Means in these two observe which is least. 1 is least, equal to 1. Here tens digit of cube root will be 1. Means required number equal to 15. Means ones digit here finding 1 and tens digit group will get cube of number 5. The two combined, that is required number. One's digit 1, tens. Second group, for that we will get 5, means 15. Cube root of 15. Therefore, cube root of 3375 equal to 15. This is answer. 5832. So given number 5832. So divide two groups, first group and second group. Take any one, nothing will happen. This one first group, this is second group, or this is first group, this is second group. Whatever it is, this is units, tens digit, this is units digit, we can find. Now first group is 832. For that, units digit is 2. Units digit is 2. And the units place of cube root of number. Units digit cube root number means 2 cube. 2 cube what? 2 into 2 into 2. 8. The units place of cube root is, means here understand, cube root of units place means 2 cube answer 8. Like that, the units place of cube root is 8. Next, second group. From second group, now take second group. Second group is 5. What is number? 5. In that 5, which number between will be? In that only one digit 5 is 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube and 2 cube. Between will be, means 1 cube less than 5 less than 2 cube. In that 2 cube 8. 1 cube 1. Least number. Least number what? 1. Least number equal to 1. Means now tens digit. Tens digit of cube number will be 8. Ones digit cube number will be 1. Means total finally answer required number is 1, 8. Means 18. Here tens digit of cube root of or cube of root will be 8. Tens digit cube root will be 8. And therefore required, here understand, required number equal to 18. Therefore cube root of 5832 equal to 18. Once again see here, 5232 given number divided two parts, means two groups. First 3 digits, next remaining digits. First 3 digits 832. This is, choose that first group, means whatever it is first group, here units place, second group tens place, like that. First group observe 832. In that 832 units digit what? 2. In that first group units digit is 2. For the units place of cube root number, 2 cube number what? 8. Means this is units place answer, cube root. Now go for second group. Second group is 5. Only one digit 5. In this 5 number, cube of 1 cube and 2 cube between number. 1 cube and 2 cube. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8. 1 and 8 between number. In that we have to choose that least number. Least number what here? 1. Least number equal to 1. This is tens digit place. We can find tens digit place. This is tens digit. Units digit here find 8. Now tens digit of cube root of will be 8. And finally required number equal to 18. Cube root of 5832 equal to 18.